For today's bell ringer, I'd like to review what we did yesterday. Because yesterday was a little bit tough. There was a lot happening there. So if you remember, we had a formula. And we were trying to use that formula to figure out how much each interval on a number line was worth. So I'd like to go over what the numerator and the denominator of that formula represented. So the numerator, or the top, represented our n number on our number line. The denominator represented the total number of spaces on that number line. Let's look at an example. Our end number here, you can pick either -7 or 7. It won't impact the outcome. So the top of my fraction is 7. The total of number of spaces, I'm going to put in green. So you're going to count the number of spaces between 0 and your n number. You are not going to count 0. So I'm going to start 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 total spaces. So my fraction is 7 over 4. And now I have figured out what each interval is going to be worth. So now I can label my number line. I'm going to start at my first mark, which is 7 over 4. And then every single time I'm going to add by 1. So this one is 14 over 4 because I'm adding 7/4 and 7/4 to get 14/4. And then I'm going to add it again to get 21/4. Now I'm going to do my negative side, which is going to be exactly the same as my positive, just with a negative sign in front. So -7/4, -14/4, and -21/4. Okay. So now I'm going to have you try this one. On your own dosery, I would like you to replicate this number line. When you're done, I would like you to upload the assignment in Google Classroom.